Okay, so what I've done for number 17 for Cramer's rule, no matter whether you do Cramer's rule or inverses, you want to set up this original to start with. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a graphing calculator, but before I get going, I'm going to find the determinant of A, right? So this is my 5, 2, -3, -5, 5, 1, -2, 0, 5. Okay, now at this point, you have a choice to do it by hand and do the 2 rows right here, repeating these first 2 columns and do it all by hand, or we can grab a calculator. Now, if you go to second matrix, okay, and edit, you can put this matrix in. So number 1, I'm going to do this in A. I'm going to do a 3 by 3, and I'm going to enter -5, enter -5, enter -2, 2, 5, 0, -3, 1, 5. All right, now what's really cool, I'm going to second quit. I can just tell it to find the determinant of this matrix. So you go second matrix, math, 1, determinant of matrix A. So to tell it to do matrix A, second matrix A. So close parentheses, enter. There, it's -109. All right, so I know that this is part of every setup. So if all I'm going to do is set it up, I would say x is equal to the determinant of the solutions matrix, because it's taking the place of my x, -5, -7, -15, and then everything else matches this original equation. So -5, 5, 1, -2, 0, 5. All right, and it's all over -109. You can write it, I'll show you one other way. You can do it 1 over -109 times the matrix, the determinant of, okay, this is going to be -5 to -3, -2, 0, 5, but this is where we use the solutions matrix again. It got, for the x, it shows here. For the y, it's the middle term because that's where the y goes. -5, -7, -15. Okay, and the z is the last term. So whichever way you like this better, whether it's 1 over -109 or that determinant over -109. I will take it either way. All right, so this is going to stay the same on the first 2, but the last one gets the -5, -7, -15. All right, so everything else stays the same, and it's really easy to copy it. It's right above it. So -3, -5, 5, 1. Those are the setups. Now, what I'm going to do is show you with the calculator, because if this is on, you all had to do this on your quiz, and you can go in and do a second determinant. So second matrix, I'm going to go into edit, and this time I'm going to edit the B, number 2, and I want it to be a 3 by 3. And just because I can see the y better, I'm going to solve for the y. So I'm going to put the y matrix in. So I have -5, -5, -2, 2, -7, 0, -3, -15, and 5. Okay, so I've got the whole matrix entered. So second quit, second matrix determinant. Okay, so I'm going to tell it to find the determinant of this matrix B. So second matrix, number 2. All right, so now I have the determinant of B, and that determinant is 327. So this Y is equal to 327. Y equals 327 over negative 109. And if you can't do that in your head, that's okay. Take your calculator and do 327 divided by negative 109 equals negative 3. That's how I got my answer. Now, funny, on the quiz, I had some people do it like this. This is like wiggly, wiggly. There you go. You did it like this and found all 3 of your answers. And you did not have to use the other method, but I'm going to stop this video now because that's enough.